Hi, I'm Linda Stanfield, owner of Benjamin Franklin Plumbing in Chandler, Arizona. Today I'm going to share with you some issues with plumbing installation. First and foremost, I'd like to share with you, we do have a plumbing uniform code book. This is your playbook to make sure that you are safe and healthy and that all your plumbing system works properly for the longevity of it. Next, it's important after installing any areas of your plumbing that you test it. It could be over tightened, it could be leaking, it could be working improperly. So it's important to test all your plumbing fixtures after you install them to get the most experience out of them. And lastly, make sure after you do your research on the fixtures that you're looking for that you pick a reputable name of a plumbing manufacturer. I want to make sure that you are able to get parts later on, that you get the experience that you're looking for, and I want to make sure that you're very happy. So use a reputable name that you've heard from before. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Linda Stanfield of Benjamin Franklin Plumbing.